Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of stillness, a feeling that everything up there is frozen in time? Well, what if I told you that the cosmos is anything but calm? It's a place of incredible, powerful, and constant change. And today, we re-diving into one of the most spectacular examples of this cosmic chaos, a celestial dance between two galaxies, a slow-motion collision that's been unfolding for hundreds of millions of years. Let's travel about 23 million light-years away to the constellation Canes Venatici, the hunting dogs. There we find one of the most famous and photogenic objects in the universe, Messier 51, better known as the Whirlpool Galaxy. Just looking at images from telescopes like Hubble, you can see why it gets its name. It has these magnificent, well-defined spiral arms, swirling with brilliant blue clusters of young, hot stars and glowing pink regions of hydrogen gas where new stars are being born. It's a picture of galactic perfection. But M51 is not alone. If you look closely, you'll see a smaller, yellowish galaxy right at the tip of one of its longer spiral arms. This is its companion, Angit Calimari Buceratus 95. It doesn't look like much at first, just a blob of light. But this little galaxy is the key to understanding the whirlpool's stunning appearance. These two aren't just neighbors. They are locked in a gravitational tug-of-war, a cosmic ballet that is slowly tearing one apart while feeding the other. So, what's actually happening here? It all comes down to gravity. The Whirlpool Galaxy is significantly more massive than its companion. As NGC 5195 swings by, the immense gravitational pull of M51 is stripping away stars, gas, and dust from the smaller galaxy. This process is called tidal stripping, and it's a bit like how the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans to create tides, but on a galactic scale. The material being pulled from NGC 5195 doesn't just disappear. It gets funneled along a stellar stream, feeding into the Whirlpool Galaxy. This influx of new gas and dust acts like fuel for a fire. As it collides with the existing gas in M51's spiral arms, it gets compressed, triggering massive bursts of star formation. This is why the Whirlpool's arms are so bright and distinct. The interaction is literally lighting them up, creating waves of stellar nurseries. The small companion galaxy is essentially the artist that is sculpting and painting the beautiful spiral structure we see today. The very act of its destruction is what makes the whirlpool so magnificent. Meanwhile, what's happening to the little guy, NGC 5195? It's losing the battle. Over millions of years, it has been pulled and stretched, and much of its own structure has been distorted. Astronomers believe it has already passed through the main disk of the Whirlpool Galaxy at least once. With each pass, it loses more of its mass, which gets absorbed by the larger galaxy. This process might sound violent, but it's a fundamental part of how galaxies evolve. Galaxies aren't static islands of stars. They grow and change by merging with others. This cosmic cannibalism is how large spiral and elliptical galaxies are built over billions of years. And what's fascinating is that this isn't just a story about a distant galaxy. It's a preview of our own future. Our very own Milky Way is on a collision course with our nearest large galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Right now, Andromeda is hurtling towards us at about 110 kilometers per second. Don't worry, you don't need to cancel any plans. This merger won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. But when it does, it will be a spectacle on a grand scale. The two massive spiral galaxies will dance around each other, their gravitational forces distorting their shapes, triggering incredible waves of star formation and eventually over hundreds of millions of years, merging into one single giant elliptical galaxy, which some astronomers have already nicknamed Milky Way. When we look at the Whirlpool Galaxy and its companion, we're not just seeing a beautiful cosmic object. We're seeing a snapshot of galactic evolution in action. We're witnessing the powerful forces that shape the universe, the constant cycle of creation and destruction. It's a powerful reminder that the quiet, peaceful night sky is an illusion. It's a dynamic, ever-changing stage where epic dramas unfold over eons. The universe is always in motion, always building, always reshaping itself. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the incredible cosmic dance happening out there in the deep dark. Fuel your mind beyond its limits. Thank you for watching, and for more deep dives into the wonders of space science, make sure you subscribe to The Cosmic Drive. We'll see you in the next one.